Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your screensaver on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is just navigate over to the desktop. So if you have any open programs or files, you may just want to close out or minimize them. And then just go up to the top bar of your desktop and select the Apple icon. And then you want to go select where it says System Preferences. Select the Desktop and Screensaver button. Select the Screensaver tab. And now where it says Start After, if you click inside this little drop down, you can set it to Never, and that will turn off the screensaver. Conversely, if you wanted to enable it, you can click inside the drop down again and then set it to any interval between 1 minute and 1 hour of inactivity. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.